Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. I worked at IRS for many, many years. I worked there for 5 decades. I was a former agent for many years. I have a tax practice. You can look me up at 777irs.com. You can see my team, and we're one of the best tax resolution companies in the United States, or we think we are. Everyone thinks they are. Anyway, I just want you to know about Optima Tax. They're big. Let me just start out by saying that, but everyone's asked me, why do they cost so much? Is it the same work? But let me comment about both. First of all, they charge a lot because they spend a lot of money. My guess, a couple $100,000 a month in advertising, and they have to pay salesmen, very slick salesmen who know how to get in your pocket. They ask you a couple questions. They know exactly how to bill. As a general rule, they go ahead and they play on your fear. They know exactly your selling points. They know exactly what they're doing. As of most big companies, not just Optima, but I get more of my complaints about Optima. And then, of course, the company's got to make money. And then you have the people at the back end. As a general rule, people who work for these companies don't have their own practices. There's a lot of reasons they do. They get their training there. Many of them are not as good, certainly, as people who've been in practice a long time. The question you always want to ask is when the people pick up the phone, are you an attorney? Are you a CPA, enrolled agent? If they're not, you have no business talking to them, because at the end of the day, they can't represent you. So any answer they're giving to you, they have no idea what they're talking about. When you call a private firm and you can speak to the attorney, the CPA, the enrolled agent, you're at least going to get a straight answer based on fact, experience, and what they've been doing. So when you call our firm, you would speak directly to me. There's a lot of good firms out there, but I'm telling you, any sponsored link that you see on Google, you're paying big money for the advertising and marketing, and I don't think so much for the back end help. There's a lot of really good people out there. If you have an IRS tax situation or a debt you need us to look at for a free consultation, please call me. At least give me a subscription today. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.